Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Instagram message notifications are not showing up. So let's get started. The first thing, update your app if available. And then you're going to want to do is check that your notifications are toggled on both in the app and on your phone. For that, log in your Instagram app and then click on your profile picture. Now click the three lines in the upper right corner. Now go to Settings and Privacy. From here click Notifications. And in Notifications you'll want to make sure Pause All is toggled off. And then click Messages. Here make sure that everything is selected on. Like, message requests, messages, group requests, and video chats are all toggled on. After that close this app, and now go to the settings of your phone. And then go to your phone notification settings. Here you make sure all necessary notifications are turned on, especially Instagram, cause that's our topic. After that close it. Now again go to Instagram, and press and hold on the app. Go to Notifications. Here make sure all notifications are toggled on. And also separately you will check if the notifications are toggled on. After following the steps, hope your notifications problem will be solved. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.